Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda. So I received a comment from one of my loyal subscribers. Her name is Raisha. I don't know how to pronounce her surname, so I'm not going to say it. So she left a comment asking me how to do mascara so it's going to lift up your eyes and all that. So I decided, why don't I do a video for you guys, a whole dedicated video showing you guys two amazing mascara hacks that will help change your eyelash game. Like, it's going to lift your lashes and your lashes are going to look so. If the mascara you're using is not really doing its function, it's not doing its job, don't throw it away. Try out these hacks I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, and I'm sure you're going to get something out of it. It's going to be beneficial for you, so stick around and find out what the hacks are. So guys, as you can see, I literally have no lashes. Like, my lashes are non-existent. The mascara I'll be using today is from Tara. This is the Tara False Eyelash Effect Coiling Mascara. So the first hack I'm going to be showing you guys is this. I saw this on TikTok and it works. The first thing you need to do is you take your mascara as usual and you rub it on your eyelashes like this. You take your mascara and you just run it across your eyes like this. Spread it across your eyes. Do that for the bottom. Now, after spreading it across your eyes, you now take the mascara from the bottom and twist it down. Then go from the top, from the front. You see the difference between these two eyes? Like, the difference is clear. Are you going to be trying out this hack? Let me know in the comment section, because this hack is one for the books. Now let me show you guys the next hack. The next hack I'm going to be showing you guys involves powder. Yes, you heard that right, white powder preferably. So because I don't have any pure white powder around me right now, so I'm just going to be using this setting powder from Mirac Cosmetics. This has a kind of whitish tone, so that's what I'm going to be using. I'm just going to apply the powder on here. The first thing we're going to do is apply our mascara like normal. If you guys notice, when I applied the mascara like normal, you can see that the difference between these two is still very much clear, because this hack made my lashes more fuller than it would have been without that hack. So this is my lashes with mascara. You can see it doesn't really do much, but when I did that hack, you saw the difference, right? Okay, so now I want to make it even much more fuller. I want to take it up the next step. So we're going to wait for the lashes to dry a bit. Then I'm going to take the white powder. I'm going to take a small fluffy brush and apply the powder on the lashes. Now I'm going to apply the mascara again. Ooh, guys, I'm loving it so much. What do you guys think? Now, this is not the end of it. If you want your mascara to look even much more boom boom boom, then you add another layer of powder. So let me demonstrate it for you guys. But first of all, look at the lashes. Looks phenomenal. So let's do it again. Let's take one last layer of powder. Apply. Let's apply mascara. Guys, look at the lashes. What do you think? Isn't it looking really nice and full? It looks like I actually did like false lash extensions in real life. Like, it looks really good. You can easily dust off the excess white powder from your face like nothing happens, and you're good to go. Here we have it, guys. This is the completed look. Do you guys like it? Which of the mascara hacks are you going to be trying out? Which one do you think worked out best for me? Let me know in the comment section below. I would really love to know your thoughts on this mascara hack. Do you think it was helpful? Let me know in the comment section. If you have any video requests, leave it in the comment section, guys. You know I always deliver. Like I delivered today, I'm gonna always deliver all your video requests. It might take take a little bit of time, but I'm still gonna deliver. So let me know in the comment section. So guys, if you want to know how I created this look, the video is coming out next week, so watch out for that. Sunday 5 p.m. you're gonna see the tutorial video on how I created this look. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys would like to see me outside of YouTube, you can check me out on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest, all Mathildaduku. And I'm gonna see you guys in my next video, but this is not where it stops for you guys. Go watch my other videos, which I'm gonna leave on the screen here, so that we're just gonna keep the ball rolling. Just keep watching my videos, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.